Have you ever had a moment where a seemingly small event, a tone of voice, a certain look, a specific sound, suddenly sent you into an intense emotional tailspin? You feel overwhelmed by shame, a crushing sense of dread, or a panic that feels bigger than the situation warrants? And a part of you thinks, why am I reacting this way? This doesn't make sense. If this sounds familiar, you might be experiencing what is known as an emotional flashback. Today, we're going to explore exactly what an emotional flashback is, how to recognize its signature signs, and I'll walk you through a practical step-by-step tool you can use to curb one when it happens. So, what is an emotional flashback? Unlike a classic PTSD flashback, you may not see vivid images or relive a specific memory. Instead, you relive the feelings from the past. An emotional flashback is a sudden, often prolonged, regressive state where you are overwhelmed by emotions from your childhood trauma, primarily feelings of fear, shame, alienation, rage, grief, or despair. It's your limbic system, your emotional brain, hitting the panic button because it has been triggered by something that reminds it, on an unconscious level, of an unsafe past environment. In this state, you are not feeling the emotions of your present-day adult self. You are feeling the trapped, overwhelming emotions of your younger, helpless self. Common signs of an emotional flashback. 1. Intense shame or a feeling of being wrong or bad. 2. Sudden, overwhelming anxiety or panic. 3. A feeling of hopelessness or despair. 4. A strong urge to isolate or hide. 5. Feeling very small, young, or fragile. 6. Rage or anger that feels disproportionate. How do you know you're in one? You might feel a sudden, intense wave of shame, as if you are fundamentally bad or wrong. You might feel a desperate need to hide or disappear. You might feel a deep sense of hopelessness or a rage that seems to come out of nowhere. Internally, it can feel like the world is ending, even if, logically, you know it's not. When you find yourself in this state, the goal is not to figure it out. The goal is to regulate your nervous system and bring yourself back to the safety of the present moment. I'm going to guide you through a practical tool for this. It's called the Present Moment Anchor. If you feel comfortable, you can close your eyes or simply soften your gaze. Step 1. Acknowledge and name. The first step is to gently acknowledge what is happening without judgment. Silently say to yourself, "This is an emotional flashback. I am feeling the feelings of the past. I am safe in the present moment." This immediately engages your prefrontal cortex, your rational brain, and begins to separate you from the emotional storm. Step 2. Ground your body. Now, bring your awareness into your body and the physical environment. Feel the weight of your body in your chair. Feel your feet flat on the floor. Press your feet down gently. Notice the pressure. Now, look around you and find 4 things you can see. Name them silently in your mind: a lamp, a window, a speck of dust, a color. Find 3 things you can hear: the hum of a fridge, distant traffic, your own breath. Clench your fists and release. Notice the sensation. Step 3. Soothe the system. Now, let's offer direct comfort to your activated nervous system. Place a hand gently on your heart or on your cheek, or give yourself a gentle hug. Feel the warmth and pressure of your own touch. With your hand on your heart, take a slow, deep breath in and a long, slow breath out. With each exhale, imagine you're breathing out the old, stuck energy of the past. Step 4. Reorient to the present. Finally, bring your focus to your current reality. Remind yourself of your age now. Name where you are. Name one small, true, safe fact about your present moment. You can open your eyes now. This is a practice. It may not work perfectly the first time, and that is okay. The act of trying is itself a message to your nervous system that you are learning to care for it. You are learning to become the safe adult for that younger part of you that is still hurting. Healing isn't about never having flashbacks again. It's about building the tool, the life raft, that can carry you back to shore more quickly each time. You are not alone. This is part of the healing journey. If this was helpful and you'd like to continue this journey of refining your trauma into strength, please consider subscribing to the channel. What is one sign of an emotional flashback you recognize in yourself? Share it safely in the comments below if you feel comfortable. Thank you for being here and for the profound courage it takes to heal.